We literally just like trap the monsters, so we can just run around freely. And Rainy did all of it. Not really long arms though. Holy long arm soda! So, first, let's go to pools. The monsters. Isn't this wonderful, Rainy? Ew! Let's troll the monsters. That's crazy! Let's go to a camera. Look at this. They're just trapped. They're so miserable. We're actually breaking the game though. I have an idea. We should try to let one monster out.
No, it's not worth it.
Jeez, oh my! Yo, let's go to cafeteria. Let's go to cafeteria. Alrighty. Now what? Alright, lunch food today is orange sauce. Alright, so go right here in front of the camera. Hi. Go to the secret room. Put your head to here. You can. Wait, stop! These are my last 5 subscribers. So if you want to be on this list, subscribe. And turn left. And turn right. It looks like someone Yo, Black Googoo's taking his business here. What the helly? Ta-da! We're here now. Yo, Yellow Tape, J-Man Curly, the evergreen tree.
Why is Black Googoo's waste all over here?
Waste. I
wasted my whole Saturday playing.
Wait, I did not see this. Join the beta program. This is so copying like Gorilla Corp. Holy, like the goggles and everything is the uniform. Let's check up on these moonsters. Yep, it's cardio day, guys. Come on. Let's get this over with. Come on. Hey! No, boo-boo. You can't catch me.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Oh my God! So close! I got all monsters chasing me! So the monsters are kind of lost, and I may or may not have made them run away pretty far, almost extremely far. Possibly pools.
Have one.
Yes, sir. Oh my gosh! Look at this long arm soda. All right, okay. Closest is Meat Man right now. Some ran that way, and I think some ran that way. So we are kind of cooked. This just turned into a horror movie. We're chilling right now.
Wait, let's not go to pools. Let's go to meat halls.
Meat halls?
Yes. I'm always tired of going to pools.
Okay, let's go to meat halls.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Let's go to meat.